Am I allowed to rate my own food 10 out of 10? It's 10 out of 10. Hawthorn berries are amazingly abundant at the moment. They're the fruit of the hawthorn tree, and they're these round, almost slightly square red berries. You know they're ripe if you pinch the fruit and the skin breaks open really easily. You'll feel one big stone inside, and then the fruit will be nice and white and pale, and it tastes a little bit like a savoury apple. They're amazing to make jams and jellies because they're really high in pectin, and they're also great for making ketchup. So today we're going to make a hawthorn berry ketchup. Okay, so start by de-stemming them. You can also throw away any that look brown or mouldy, and then once you've just got the perfect little basket of hawthorns, you can add them to a pot or a pan, cover them with a good apple cider vinegar. You don't want to use a cheap one because it won't make the final product taste as good. Bring that to the boil. When your fruit starts getting a little softer, you can mash it down with the back of the fork, and what you're looking for is this really nice pulpy kind of consistency. All of the fruit should have come away from the stones, and once you're there you can pour it through a sieve and mash it down with the back of a spoon. What should come through the sieve kind of looks like a tomato puree. If it's a little thin and a little runny at this stage, you can put it back in the pan to boil off some of the water, and when it looks like this, that's when you're going to add a good amount of sugar. You can put in some spices like cinnamon or allspice, maybe some chilli if you fancy. Give it a stir and it's ready. You can bottle it up, it will stay in the fridge for about 3 weeks, and it's perfect with roast crispy potatoes, chips, or whatever else you might fancy your ketchup with. It's like a tangy, fruity ketchup. It's so good. It's a classic combo. Potatoes, you can't go wrong with potatoes and ketchup.